Pradipin Ray. I am from All India Classes Sultanpur. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver seminar on an introduction of biotechnology. So let's meet. Are you familiar sequence? The letter means cell. Letter convert into a word. Word makes sentence. Sentence made lesson, and the lesson made textbook. The letter means cell. The group of the cell is tissue. Tissue convert into organ. Organ convert into organ system. At the last made our body means human body. Now, today we are discuss about tissue. So first question is what is mean by tissue and what is tissue? The group of the cell having same origin, same function and same structure. This is called as the tissue. Tissue are two parts: simple tissue and complex tissue. What is mean by simple tissue and complex tissue? Made up only one type of the cell. For example, if it are animals and meristematic of plant, this is called as the simple tissue. Complex tissue made up more than one type of the cell. For example, blood of the animal, xylem and phloem of the plants. Now we discuss about animal tissue. Animal tissue are four kinds: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. What is mean by epithelial tissue? Protective covering of the animal. This is called as the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is closely packed to each other. Epithelial tissue are six kinds: squamous, stratified, columnar, glandular, ciliated and cuboidal. Now we discuss about connective tissue. Which cell join part of the body. This is called as the connective tissue. Connective tissue has seven kinds: blood, limb, areola, adipose, cartilage, bone, tendons and ligament. Muscular tissue. Muscle fiber and muscular tissue form from special contraction protein, due to which contraction and relaxation is possible. Muscular tissue have three parts: stated muscle, non-stated muscle and cardiac muscle. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is enabled to respond to stimuli like touch, sound and color. Cell of the nervous tissue is made up only excited, conduct excitation to one part of the body to other. Now we discuss about plant tissue. Plant tissue divided into two parts: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue present in a special part of the plant, grow parts only, thin cell wall is packed, highly active, vessel absent and grow main function. Permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is structure, shape, location, perform function are called differentiation, makes differentiated. Permanent tissue divided into two parts: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue have three parts: parenchyma, parenchyma and sclerenchyma. And the complex tissue have two parts: xylem and phloem. What is mean by parenchyma? Living thin wall is intercellular. Location is root stem wall, root stem, flower and leaves. And the structure is function is support, storage, vacant space. Parenchyma. Living corner is cardiac picketing, and the location is base, leaf, branches and stem. And structure is support, flexibility, regularity. Third part is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is dead fibrous cell wall, lignin, and location is vein, stem and covering of coconut. Third part and fourth part is xylem. Dead cell of the xylem is made up only protein and stop करा